In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up a campaign in Mailchimp and customize it with some special tweaks. Whether you're new to Mailchimp or looking to refine your email campaigns, this guide will help you enhance your skills and get those emails looking fantastic. First things first, we're going to head over to the Mailchimp website. If you're not familiar with it, Mailchimp is a powerful platform that allows you to manage your email marketing campaigns with ease. It's user-friendly and packed with features designed to make your marketing efforts much more effective. So, open up your web browser and type in Mailchimp. Once you're there, make sure to log into your account. If you don't have one yet, you might want to consider setting it up before proceeding. The process is straightforward and Mailchimp offers plenty of resources to guide you through it. Once logged in, we'll navigate to the Campaigns section of the website. This is where all the magic happens, allowing you to create, edit, and manage your email campaigns. You'll see a list of your current campaigns, and from here, you can either start a new one or edit an existing campaign. For today's purposes, let's dive into an existing one so we can focus on some of the interior customization features. Within your selected campaign, start by looking at the email layout. You'll want to add some interactive elements to keep your readers engaged. Look for an option labeled Blank Layouts. You'll find this represents the foundational structures of your email, providing various formats you can choose from based on your communication needs. Select the Layout 2 and drag it into your email editor. This layout supports multiple elements, giving you flexibility in how you arrange your content. Now, we're going to add some buttons. Buttons are an excellent way to prompt your readers to take action, whether that's learning more about your products, signing up for an event, or simply visiting your website. First, click on the Add Block option in your email editor. You'll notice an array of types to choose from. Click on Button. This will insert a button within your email layout. Repeat the process for the second layout, ensuring that you have two buttons side by side within your email. Positioning these calls to action side by side can offer a balanced and visually appealing layout for readers. Just like that, we're done. You have crafted a professional-looking email campaign that is customized to engage your audience more effectively. Thanks to Mailchimp's intuitive interface and multitude of options, you're able to create emails that not only look great, but are also streamlined to prompt your readers into action. Thanks for watching, and happy emailing.